What's going on, guys? Nanu Garage here. In today's video, we're getting the PA system installed on the Ford Raptor. And as you can see right over here, we came out to 510 Customs. Let's get to it.
Basically, in order to mount this Lamphus siren, we needed to find a location that will allow us to fit this oversized flat horn without interrupting this cooling radiator. We couldn't do it inside, so I had to find a place on the passenger side, re-drill a hole, use nuts and bolts to screw it down securely, relocate the factory horn that was located here, and try to reorganize it so that it does not put a lot of stress on the main harness, which was happening before. In order for me to do that, I had to unscrew this and this to loosen it up so I can loosen the tension because this was twisted this way. And I put a new bolt and nut to secure it in place.
All right, the grill's going back on. And then we'll start the wiring process into the cabin of the vehicle.
Ways of feeding a wire through the grommet firewall. Going through above, through, or the side or the bottom, it's easier. Going through a grommet, it can be very dangerous because normally the gauge of the wire are this thick. Now they're much more thinner than this. So just trying to have something like this, pinch through it, you just cut yourself a wire. Okay. You can go through the grommet. Okay. You just have to be careful.
High risk.
Yes, especially if you don't know what you're doing.
So now we're gonna pull it out with the current thing that is being fished inside. So I'll just show you guys really quick and then I'm gonna start pulling it out. So as you can see, he kind of wedged it up right over here. And it has this coming out. Yeah, see the tape? There we go. Got the wires. All right, so check it out. Got the wires right down over here. See, fed it through the end of the grommet, pried it out with this tool right over here. Check it out, all wired over here. Looks super professional with this black tubing. We got our fuse tapped in right over here too. The wires are fed into this grommet right over here. And it's all wired and working, and it sounds epic. So we just have to make sure we don't get too much trouble with this, but it's gonna be hard not to get in trouble with it. We weren't sure where to put the box itself for now. However, we've decided to lay it in this compartment right over here. Then we have our walkie-talkie right over here so we can talk into it, and we can hit our horn right over there. So we have a bunch of other functions that we'll try out later on, but this is so dope. We're gonna mess around so much with it. It's gonna be really awesome. PA system now installed, light bar we installed a while back, and then we got the fog lights too to put into here. So stay tuned for that video coming very soon. Might go to Pismo Beach and jump the Raptor pretty soon, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so we just finished up over here at 510 Customs, so make sure you guys hit them up if you have any needs with anything installed, and let them know that Nanu Garage sent you over here. So definitely hit them up. Super good service, super honest people, very hard workers. They did a great job with the install. They let me watch them and help them, and they taught me a few things that I never even knew about this truck. Check it out guys, the antenna is hitting the top. We barely fit through this thing. That guy was speeding through there and I flicked the... Oh, he was going so fast through there, I just hit the woo woo. Check out the lights. Off-road lights on. Woo. Sheesh! Dude, that was moving. He was moving right there. That Quattro system does work good in the rain. My goodness. Alright guys, that brings us to the end of today's YouTube video. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure you guys hit that like button. Also leave a comment down below and make sure you guys smash that subscribe button. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers and it'll really help me out a lot. Share this video with your friends. I hope you guys like the PA system because I love it. And there are a few people who are speeding through here. I gave a little woo, woo, woo siren thing, and they slowed down, and it was really funny. One dude in a Charger, I didn't get on camera, but he was driving super fast right down here. It looked like he just got the car. And I hit the police horn a few times. He was circling back to try to see where it came from, but it was really funny. So make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. I look forward to seeing all of you guys in the next video.